So my audio did something really weird whenever the intro is coming in. So let's see. Does your audio seem okay?
Well, I clicked unmute because I saw that it was muted. I'm like, well, we're not doing that.
No. Okay. So that's what it is. But we are live. So welcome back to the Max Lawyer podcast. I'm with Billie Tarascio. Hey, Billie, how are you?
So good. Good to see you.
So good. Are you in Scottsdale?
I'm in Gilbert.
Okay, so that's in that area. Like that's one of my favorite places in the entire world. It's
really
so beautiful out there. Yeah, it's so great.
Not in July.
Yeah, like what's the temperature right now?
Oh,
hot.
Like, let me tell you, you don't even want to know. But
it's 81 degrees here. It's actually kind of nice.
Oh, how beautiful. Okay, right now it's a cool 100.
So. And you're not joking about that either.
No, I'm not.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I'll just come during the winter months and not during the summer months. That's all I plan to do. All right. So let's talk about the conference. So that's what we have here to talk about the conference. You gave one of the best presentations in 2019. So I'm really looking forward to this one. This one is the post-pandemic office space. So I guess why this topic? What about this topic do you think is important for people?
Well, I mean, we're all kind of sick of hearing about the dang pandemic. It's been over here in Arizona for a while, but there were some good things that came out of it. And one of those things is the way that we use office space and our ability to use office space differently, the way that our clients use office space differently and meet differently, and the way that our attorneys interact. I mean, we've all seen the articles that have said, if my employer makes me come back to the office, I'm quitting. So how we manage that is exciting.
Yeah, I also think it's kind of cool, like with firms like Elise Buoys, where she's all virtual. I think it has helped with the hesitation of some clients. They don't like the fact that the attorney's virtual. I think it has helped them kind of swallow that pill a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I think the clients are certainly more comfortable with video appointments than they ever have been. We're doing a lot of court appearances via video too. So we still use office space, and we're definitely a hybrid. And that's kind of what we're going to talk about: how to set up your office space strategically when factoring in both where are your clients and where are your employees.
Yeah, and I think you're doing some really cool things, and I'm not going to mention any of those things because I think I'll let you present that in October. But I think you're doing some really cool things that I think are going to surprise some people, and I'm looking forward to it because because we're already out of space in both of our offices, and we're looking to expand, but we're looking at different options. So I might want to put off any of my decisions until October and make any decisions then until I see your presentation. So I'm pretty excited about that.
I'm glad you're doing that because I had the same issue. I was looking at expanding for years. For years, we were out of space. I was in negotiations to get, double or triple our space and spend, commit to spending more money than I'd ever spent on law office space. And then like when I really started talking to my team, looking at the data and analyzing where, how this should work, I got to a different answer, which is a lot less expensive.
Absolutely. So I'm glad you're doing this topic, and I'm sure a lot of people are going to get a lot of good out of it. So give us like one little teaser, like nothing major, like a little teaser from the presentation.
A free tool that you all use every single day, Google Maps, will be the key to visually unlocking where to locate. It's pretty cool.
Okay. I'm guessing you're going to give us a little tutorial during the presentation.
Yeah, I'll totally show you exactly how to do it. It was easy. I kind of stumbled upon this, but it was a game changer. And the other thing that's really, really important is to talk to your team and to truly listen to them, because we as bosses, I think, have a tendency to not fully take everything that we could be taking from our employees who have really good feedback. A lot of time we think it's annoying, or we do, but
no, I think you're right. I can actually kind of like hear their voices in the back of my head, like right now. Okay, yeah, I need to listen more. So for sure. I've got two more questions. Before my last one, how do people get in touch with you if they want to reach out to you about office space, about anything about modern law practice, any of that stuff? Like how do they reach out to you?
I'm so easy to find, but you can like literally any social platform, or you can email me, billie@mymodernlaw.com, BILLIE, Twitter, whatever.
Whatever, all the usual stuff.
All the usual. Only one, Billie Tarascio.
There's only one, only one. It's funny. I'm gonna derail for a second. I hear, I mean, your presentation, if it's not the top, if it's like one of the top ones I hear people talk about, like where you talked about like basically, and I'm gonna sum this up and I'm gonna gum it up, but you talk about it better. Like how basically you like think about the person you want to be, the lawyer you want to be, and then like kind of pretend to be that person. That I'm oversimplifying it, but I hear people talk about that all the time. I even use it sometimes. I think it's fantastic. It's really cool.
That's such an interesting way to sum it up, because I don't even think I ever said that.
You did not. No, it's not. That's just I'll gum it up. But that's basically what it is, though.
That's your takeaway.
That's fantastic, though. It was. I've heard several people talk about it. So it's
Cool.
not just me interpreting it. So it's multiple people. But all right, last question. What are you looking forward to when it comes to your coming to St. Louis for the conference?
Man, you're going to think this is crazy. I literally had a dream about it. At one point, I had an actual dream about being at MaxLawCon and seeing people that I haven't seen in years. And it's such a fun conference. It's such a great environment, and the people, like the relationships and the authenticity of the people at MaxLawCon, I have not seen at any other conference. I've been to a lot of legal conferences, and MaxLawCon is special.
It is. I agree. And it's funny now that you say that. I'm wondering if I'm confusing your 2020 presentation into the Guild or your 2019 presentation. I got to get both of them.
I think you are.
I think I really am. So you're at 2019. You're like, what the hell are you? What's he talking about? I think I might be confusing, but it's fine.
Got it. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, join the Guild. You'll find out. You'll watch that one. You can compare yourselves. But all right, thank you, Billie. I look forward to seeing you in October, and thank you so much for coming on. Appreciate it.
Good to see you. Bye.
You, buddy.